Hello guys, good morning. It's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and this morning I just want to share an idea with you, something you can use whenever you come across chord progression like the 2, 1, 7. All right, when the key of E major, which means that we'll be having 4 sharps as its key signature. So E is the 1, F sharp is the 2, G sharp is the 3, A is the 4, B is the 5, C sharp is the 6, D sharp is the 7, and back to the 1, which is E. All right. So I will play this song for you. That's the song video you're seeing right now.
Jesus, your name is beautiful.
So I hope you can hear that.
Your name is
2, 1,
excellent.
7. All right.
Healer, your name is
2, 1,
powerful.
7. So let's take it back and pause it because I don't want to sing the other parts. So yeah, what can you play there? You can actually play G. Your name is. So look at the chord 2. All right, let me do that again. 2, 1, 7. So that's it. But I can actually show you something else. I can say you like that. I think you will even prefer that. Okay, sometimes you can play this, but you can also play this. Okay, that's a tune. So it's more sounding good when you're playing it fast. You understand? So let's take it slow. All right. Right. So okay, so you can say G, your name. Yep. I mean, I wanted to go far because I was thinking I had a very long keyboard here. I'm still using that my other keyboard. It's still there looking at me. So that's it. I hope you learned something here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.